Personal Hotspot not showing up on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If for some reason your personal hotspot is not showing up, then you can follow these steps. Launch the settings application on your device and tap on the cellular option there. Now tap on network selections and make sure the toggle button for automatic is toggled on. Next, tap on voice and data and make sure LTE is selected. Also make sure the toggle button for volt is toggled off. Go back and make sure the toggle button for low data mode is toggled off too. Check if the problem has been fixed or not. If not, tap on general and then tap on date and time and make sure the toggle button for set automatically is toggled on. In general, again, tap on transfer and reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. If it is still not fixed, eject the SIM card from your device and reinsert it. Also, try resetting all settings. To reset, open Settings again and tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your personal hotspot should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.